Ever wondered how to turn your creative TikTok videos into a source of income as quickly as possible? Monetization is the key. Now, you might be asking, what exactly is monetization? Well, it's the process of earning money from your content. In the case of TikTok, it's about transforming those fun and creative videos you make into a source of income. TikTok has rapidly grown into a platform where people can not only share their creativity and talent, but also earn from it. It's not just about likes and shares anymore, it's about turning your passion into a paycheck. Just think about it. You're doing what you love and you're getting paid for it. It's a win-win situation. So, if you're ready to transform your TikTok hobby into a money-making venture, keep watching. We've got some insider tips and tricks coming up in our next scenes. Stay tuned. The first step to monetizing your TikTok videos is to consistently create high-quality content. Now, you might be wondering, what does high quality mean? It's not about having the most expensive camera or the flashiest effects. It's about engaging your audience, keeping them hooked from the first second to the last. Quality over quantity is key here. It's better to post one amazing video a week than 7 mediocre ones. Make sure each video you post is something you're proud of, something that represents you. And let's not forget the importance of originality and creativity. The most successful TikTokers are the ones who dare to be different, who aren't afraid to let their unique personalities shine through. They're the ones who create trends, not just follow them. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things. After all, creativity is the lifeblood of TikTok. Remember, your content is your brand's identity, so make it count. Once you have your content ready, the next step is to grow your audience. Having a substantial follower base is not just about popularity. It's about creating a community that resonates with your content and looks forward to your posts. But how exactly can you increase your followers? Well, one strategy is to post consistently. When you regularly upload content, your visibility on the platform increases, and that translates into more followers. Engaging with your audience is another crucial aspect. Respond to comments, like and share posts from your followers, and show them that you value their interaction. This not only boosts your visibility, but also fosters a sense of community and loyalty among your followers. Don't forget to use trending hashtags. This is a powerful way to get discovered by people who are interested in the topics you're covering. Remember, building a strong follower base is a gradual process, so don't lose hope if it takes time. After you've built a substantial audience, it's time to join the TikTok Creator Fund. The TikTok Creator Fund is a remarkable initiative by TikTok that supports creators on their platform. It's a pool of money that is distributed among TikTok creators based on the performance of their videos. In other words, if your videos are generating a lot of views, likes, and shares, you could potentially earn a decent income from the TikTok Creator Fund. So, how do you qualify for this fund? First and foremost, you must be at least 18 years old. Secondly, you need to be located in a region where the fund is available. Thirdly, you must have at least 10,000 followers and have garnered at least 10,000 video views in the last 30 days before applying. And lastly, you need to post original content that complies with TikTok's community guidelines and terms of service. To apply for the TikTok Creator Fund, simply go to your profile, tap the 3 dots at the top right corner to access Settings and Privacy, then tap Creator Tools, and you'll find the option to apply for the Creator Fund. Follow the prompts, and you're on your way to potentially earning from your TikTok videos. Joining the TikTok Creator Fund is a significant step towards monetizing your videos. Keep creating, keep engaging, and keep growing. Your TikTok journey is just getting started. While the TikTok Creator Fund is a great way to earn money, there are other monetization strategies you can explore. Diversifying your income streams can maximize your earning potential and open up exciting opportunities. One popular method is brand collaborations. If you've built a strong, engaged audience, brands may approach you to promote their products or services. This could be anything from a single sponsored post to an ongoing partnership. Always remember to align with brands that resonate with your content and your audience. Sponsored posts are another way to monetize your TikTok content. Whether it's a product review, a tutorial, or simply featuring a product in your video, sponsored posts can be a lucrative option. However, be sure to maintain transparency with your audience about sponsored content to build and maintain trust. You might also consider selling merchandise. If you've created a unique brand or catchphrase, or if your followers simply love what you do, they might be interested in buying merchandise related to your content. This could be t-shirts, mugs, stickers, or anything else that represents your brand. Remember, monetization isn't a one-size-fits-all approach, so explore different strategies to find what works best for you. It's not just about making money, but also about building a sustainable career and a loyal community on TikTok. So keep creating, keep connecting, and keep exploring the many ways you can turn your TikTok content into a source of income.